In a world where time is money, the RICOH Ri 2000 direct-to-garment printer empowers you to spend less time on production and maintenance and more time growing your business. Print full-color graphics in less than 10 seconds. With single-pass printing, you can ramp up your production or use that extra time to optimize and grow your business. The RICOH Ri 2000 delivers exceptionally fast print speeds. Outfitted with a dual-carriage system, your job gets done quickly with true single-pass printing. The first set of heads lays down your pure white underbase, followed immediately by the second set as it deposits your color layer. Print a full color graphic on a light t-shirt in less than 10 seconds. For a dark t-shirt, print a full color graphic in less than 1 minute. The RICOH Ri 2000 delivers impeccable print quality. From the subtle glow of true-to-life flesh tones to dramatic, eye-popping hues, the RICOH Ri 2000 prints in virtually unlimited color and handles even the most complex color gradations and fine photographic details with ease. Thanks to highly accurate dual carriages, a small minimum ink drop size of 3 pl, precise auto table height adjustment, and adjustable platens, the RICOH Ri 2000 produces crisp, high-resolution prints up to 1200 by 1200 dpi. Go ahead and print virtually any digital image on t-shirts, face masks, hoodies, tote bags, socks, canvas, wood, glass, and more. Your only limit is your imagination. The RICOH Ri 2000 is designed to make operations simple so that you spend less time setting up your prints and have more time to focus on your business. Automatic table height adjustment speeds up your workflow and helps foolproof your prints by positioning your print table with precision. For versatility and ease of use, quick change magnetic platens and sizes up to an extra large 16 by 19.6 inches easily snap on and off the machine with virtually no downtime. Print more and worry less. Intelligent auto cleaning system and white ink agitation save time and make the machine incredibly easy to use and maintain. Along with continuous monitoring of ink supply, air level, and dampers, the RICOH Ri 2000 stays in an active state where it is walk-up ready and virtually guaranteed to produce a perfect print whenever you're ready to use the machine. Maintenance of your DTG printer is easier than ever. The Ri 2000 includes some decidedly next-level features. Chief among these is the innovative Ri 2000 head cleaning jig. Gone are the days of manual head cleans. Instead of messing with swabs and wipes, you now simply attach your cleaning jig, add cleaning solution, and select jig head maintenance. The printer does the rest of the work for you while you focus on running your business. To make maintenance even easier, the RICOH Ri 2000 features a built-in interactive operation guide. Accessible through the machine's industry-leading 7-inch touchscreen display, the interactive guide provides smart alerts, reminding you when to perform routine manual maintenance tasks. With industrial-strength steel construction, the rugged RICOH Ri 2000 is built for performance and reliability. Time-proven components like the machine's print engine and high-performance RICOH GH2220 print heads are built according to RICOH's world-class quality standards and thoroughly tested to provide fast, precise prints for years to come. The RICOH Ri 2000 isn't just optimized for production, it's optimized for business. Save time by automating your workflow. Optimize your inventory by analyzing your ink use and print volume over time. Deliver superior products with automated quality control and standardized color output across your network of printers. RICOH's cutting-edge software solutions allow you to take your print business to the next level. The RICOH Ri 2000 is exceptionally fast, easy to use, and delivers outstanding print quality. Take your business to the next level with the RICOH Ri 2000 direct-to-garment printer.